Safe, secure, reliable. These qualities are critical to meeting the evolving challenge of protecting people and environments in today's world. From safeguarding commercial venues to maintaining and monitoring a secure environment in essential sectors and crucial infrastructure, entry control technologies and solutions must be ready to adapt to the rapidly changing scenarios of today and tomorrow. Enter ASSA ABLOY. As a global leader in reliable entrances for more than 5 decades, we're leveraging our engineering experience and specific application knowledge to lead a new era of security entry control solutions and services. Our adaptable end-to-end offerings include access-controlled revolving doors intended for high-traffic security entries, security portals that restrict access in secure areas, airport exit lane breach controls that offer one-way corridors, together with a variety of access control technologies, speed gates, and turnstiles to control people and passenger flow. ASSA ABLOY also offers global servicing and maintenance, as well as smart digital solutions, making us the perfect partner for developing, deploying, and maintaining any entry control system to ensure your company is ready to meet the challenges of today and tomorrow. Security entrance control, solving tomorrow today.